This is the performance of the magic coin paddle. As you can see, I have a paddle that is blank on both sides. If I snap my finger, I get a quarter. I could make the quarter disappear, but I can do it again. Watch the paddle. I snap my finger, and again, I get another quarter. I wave, that disappears. One more time, because I can do this all day, I snap my finger, and if I remove that, it disappears. And that is the performance of the magic coin paddle. This is the explanation for the magic coin paddle. In your magic set, you're going to have this little black paddle, and there's nothing on either side of this. You're also going to have a plastic coin, which you could use, but I would recommend switching out that plastic coin with a real quarter. You're also going to need a little piece of double stick tape. You're going to take the double stick tape and you're going to put it in the center of one side of the paddle. You'll take either your plastic coin or your quarter, and you're going to press it into that circle so that it stays, so that when I turn it over, it will not fall out. So we're going to set this aside for now. So on one side we have the blank paddle, on the other side we have the quarter. And if I were to just turn my hand like this, you'll see it empty on one side, you'll see the quarter on the other side. To show it both sides empty, what I want to do at the same time that I turn my hand over like this, I also want to turn the paddle over with my thumb and fingers. So at the same time, it'll look like this. That way I could show both sides of the paddle. If I do it quickly, it looks like both sides are empty. However, you know that one side has a quarter and the other side is empty. Again, you're going to turn it over like this with your thumb and finger at the same time that you turn it over this way. So at the same time, it looks like both sides are empty. To make the coin appear, you're going to snap your finger at the same time that you turn that over. So at the same time, it looks like it just appears there. And I can toss that into my hand, although you're not tossing anything, you're just mimicking tossing that into your hand. You can wave the paddle over your hand and show that it's empty, but you're just mimicking that movement there. You're going to pretend to catch it as you wave and toss and show it empty. You're going to do it again. You're going to show both sides empty, which you're just slowly turning it over this way and that way. You snap your finger at the same time turning that over. It looks like the coin appears. You then mimic tossing it into your hand, you wave your paddle, and you show your hand empty. On the last time, you're going to show both sides empty again. And this time, when you make it appear, you're going to just pretend to grab the whole thing, but you're actually going to turn it over at the same time. So you're going to grab it like this, and all you did was turn it over this way, right? So all you did is this. You wave your hand, or the paddle over your hand to show that the coin is now gone, and you can show that both sides of the paddle is empty.